In HitFilm, when you're working around with composite shots, what you can also do is you can go around and then nest out the composite shots. So over here, you can see that I have a range of videos. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click and make this as a composite shot right here. So you can see that the water video is a composite shot right here. And inside, I can go around and resize this right here, place it wherever I want right here. Let me just go around over here and bring in another video clip right here, just like this. And then I'm going to go around and resize this out as well. Let me just expand this and transform this and scale it out right here, just like this over here. And then place it out, let's say, for example, right around over here. So this is what you have. As you can see, this is one composite shot. I'm just going to go around and rename this to, let's say, for example, composite 1 right here, just like this. And that is what you have. So composite 1 is here. And now I'm going to go around and make this into a composite shot as well. So let's just go around and select out this footage, make this into a composite shot and press OK. And let's go around and resize this out right here and keep it right here. And I'm going to go around and bring in this particular image right here and keep it right around over here. And you can see that I got two composite shots now. So I'm going to go around over here and group by media, and over here you can see the composite shot 1 and production ID 2. Let's just go around and rename this to composite 2 right here, just like this, and this is what you have. So I'm going to go around and make another composite shot right here, just like this, and let's just go around and select out SD for this one. So I'm going to go around and select out, let's see, for example, 1080p full SD right here, just like this, and this is what you have. So now I'm going to go around and bring in these composite shots right here, and you can see that the composite shot actually come in as different images right here. You can go around and then let's say rearrange this and everything right here, and these are the composite shots that you have right here, and this is what you have. So this is composite shot 2, as you can see right here, and if you were to go to composite shot 3, then you can see that this is what you have. So these composite shots are there. Let me just go around and then on to transform. Let's just go around and scale this out, and you can see that the contents of this particular composite shot right here is here as well, and the contents of this composite shot right here is over here as well, and you can see that this is how it is. You can see the contents right here. If I were to go to composite shot 2 right here, and let's say, for example, move up this logo around over here on the right, then it gets updated over here as well. And that is what composite shot nesting is for. You can go around and make out groups and then make composites out of composites right here. Similarly, you can also go around right here and make this composite shot into another composite shot over here as well. And it comes as a group, as you can see. So these are the composite shots, and this is the parent composite shot right here, just like this, and this is the composite shot within composite shots, and another composite shot within composite shot, as you can see right here. And that is how you can go around and nest out composite shots together to group out contents together. And this is especially useful when you have a lot of contents within one composite shot and you do want to group them out together for ease in working. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.